Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how I do my go-to makeup look. So let's get on with this video. So now I'm gonna take some aloe vera gel and put it on my face and then let it sit for a few minutes. And then I'm gonna take the primer and gonna apply it on my face in a few drops and then spread it all over my face. So yes, now I'm gonna take the foundation, put a few drops on my face and then rub it. I do not like to use sponge because I think it wastes the product, and also I do not like let anyone else use my makeup, so it's quite hygienic then. So this is the Mistel concealer which I generally use, and now this is my Savannah color palette which I've used for my eyes generally. Now I'm using this shade. I do not like to use brush again because I don't know, for some reason I feel it's better to apply eyeshadow or anything with my hands. Now I'm gonna just take a bit of glittery shades and then gonna put it on my eyes. Yes. So now I'm gonna put an inner corner highlight, and now I'm gonna use my favorite thing, that's the mascara. This one's from MAC, I guess. Yes. So now I'm going to use the kajal, as I do not use any eyeliner. I generally use the kajal on my eyes because I mean it's easier to use, and also it like now we have so many other better options in them that it does not spread also. So I generally use this. I'm gonna use the Rosy Sunday lipstick from the Lakme 925 collection on my lips. Yes, I think this goes really well with my skin, so if it suits you, can definitely take it. Now I'm going to take some blush, apply it on my cheeks to make my cheeks look a bit fresh. Yes, you can see it. Yes. So that's how I'm going to do it. It's very important for you to do this face, so a blush gets applied like really easily. Yes. Now I'm going to put some highlight on my face. I'm gonna use the same palette to use the highlight, obviously. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. All I do is just draw two small lines and then brush them.
So your girl has curls. I mean, it took me a lot of time to get this hair, but yes, I do.
So guys, I hope you liked my video, and here are some pictures that I clicked after I completed my look. And also I hope you guys like this video, so do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Adios.